Hey everyone, taking my dog for a walk. Just figured I'd make a video of my hat in the wind. It holds up pretty well. It does not fly off my head at all. Of course the lighting isn't the best here. The sun's behind me. And she likes to smell. Yep, very windy day. Feels great. It's in the high 50s here in Colorado. Birds are flying. I don't know why, it's very windy. More sniffing. Here's a better look at the hat in natural sunlight. Ready? Yeah, come on. Oh. Duty calls. Yeah, not too much of an exciting video, just wanted to show the hat in natural sunlight and show how it holds up in the wind. It's a little snug, I like it. So, also sometime today I am getting a package, I will not say what, and I will be making an unboxing video of that package. So, keep in tuned for that. And we'll see you then. Thanks.